Start now.
Okay, gentlemen, today our topic is on
Gentlemen,
AIDS.
my topic
We would
is
like to
AIDS.
divide this topic into four parts, that is its introduction, causes, effects, and conclusion. So first, we should start from its introduction. HIV AIDS. HIV stands for the human immunodeficiency virus, which causes the disease AIDS. AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Syndrome means collection of multiple infections that develop together and make to form the disease. So what's your opinion, gentlemen?
बहुत बढ़िया शाबाश 40 सेकंड के बाद आपने ओपिनियन दे दिया कंटिन्यू बोलते रहिए
This virus attacks the immune system of a body and makes the immune system weak. It is a communicated disease, can be transferred from one person to another person by some means, that is contaminated blood, needles, and infected mother to her child. To spread the awareness of AIDS, we also celebrate AIDS Day on 1st December, that every year. And the first case of AIDS is come across in USA, and the most cases come across in continent of South Africa. So we need to aware about the disease of AIDS, and uh, should value the
Okay.
effects of.
Anyone who want to add another points in the introduction? Otherwise, we should move to the causes.
Yes, we should move towards its causes. Okay, its first causes, most of the people get this virus while having unprotected sex with someone who is having HIV. And another common way of getting HIV by sharing drug needles with someone who is infected with HIV, and this virus can also spread through pregnancy, time of birth, and it can also spread by breastfeeding also. HIV doesn't well survive outside the body, so it can't spread through casual contacts like kissing or sharing the drinking glasses with someone who is infected with HIV/AIDS. Now, what's your opinion?
Okay, guys, let's move towards the effects. Anyone who want to add another points in the causes?
बार-बार मत पूछो कंटिन्यू किया करो आइडिया नहीं होगा ग्रुप में नॉलेज नहीं है जब लगा ग्रुप में नॉलेज नहीं किसी को तो फिर कंटिन्यू किया करो
Okay, its effects. Its first effects is most of the people are familiar with HIV, but they do not know how it's affected the body. HIV destroyed CD4 cells, which also called T cells or helper cells, which are critical for the immune system. CD4 cells are responsible responsible for keeping people healthy and protecting them from the other common diseases or infections. Once HIV
Yes,
enters the
Shefali.
body, it's directly attacks to the immune system. Yes, you can
Yes,
continue.
Shefali, I agree with you. I would like to add another effects on this. Symptoms of the disease, AIDS like fever, fatigue, rapid weight loss. These infections, these disease also affects the human body, which made the person to stay away from the society and person unable to accept this thing in front of society. Number second, this disease also affect the mental health of the person because person always depressed and stressed regarding his health. And another effect is that person's liver and muscles also affected because of this disease AIDS. So gentlemen, what's your opinion?
So I want to continue this topic and want to add to overcome some effects of HIV/AIDS. So first of all, we know that by HIV/AIDS is spread through sharing contaminated needles. So we have to provide every time new needles to the patients and the drug addicted persons. And secondly, we know that the HIV/AIDS is transmitted through blood transfusion. So we have to check blood before before donations, and several American banks and blood donation banks now first of all scan the bloods and then transfuse to some another body. And during pregnancy, even we know that HIV/AIDS is transmitted to the newborn baby from from his or her
Okay,
mother.
let's discuss about the prevention of the disease AIDS. The AIDS disease can be prevented by spreading awareness. Youth and the teenagers should show their greatest participation, and their parents and responsible person of the society should also cooperate them in order to make other people aware, or spreading awareness in the remote areas. Number second, a responsible person of the society should cast off their hesitation and bashfulness from their nature.
स्टॉप।
And
ठीक है, तीनों का पार्टिसिपेशन, दीक्षा, शेफाली एंड स्वाति आर गुड। बाकी तीन क्या कर रहे हैं भाई? हार्दिक, लव एंड देवांशु, पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए आपको। कुछ तो बोलो यार, ऐसे चुपचाप बैठे रहोगे तो कैसे चलेगा? कुछ तो बोलो ना बीच में आके। हम सब एक फ्रेंड हैं और फ्रेंड की तरह डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि कोई कुछ भी बोल रहा है एड्स के ऊपर, आपको भी कुछ भी बोलना चाहिए बीच में, अदरवाइज तो जीडी में फेल हो जाओगे। ठीक है, चलिए चलिए भाई कंटिन्यू करते हैं। नेक्स्ट टेस्ट, मैं उसको स्टॉप कर रहा हूँ।